Topper, why are we always waiting for him every time we do anything? I'm not leaving.
Be impressed with your riding ability. And here's the man himself, Tommy Searle.
I would have come down there on the endo, but I can't do endos.
So we are going to be having a bit of a vlog off. Tommy's always got his cameraman with him, I've got a cameraman with me, so we're going to do a vlog off. So I'm going to be riding a bit of moto, and tomorrow Tommy is going to be riding a bit of mountain bike. A bit of a crossover. What do you think about that?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm not very good on a mountain bike. I don't reckon you're very good on a motorbike. So it should be, so I imagine it'll be quite good.
I reckon it's going to be a pretty good show.
Yeah.
Check this out.
Alright. We've got a bit of gear for you there, look.
Lovely.
XS.
Nice.
And then you got boots here.
Nice.
They're very nice them, to be fair. I might keep them for myself. What have you rode then? You've rode a 50 before.
I've rode a 50 with no clutch, yes.
Oh yeah, you do need to use a bit
I
of
did have
of the clutch.
I did
on
have
this.
a go on the on a quad bike the other day, and that had a clutch, and I just kind of pretended it was my left foot in a car.
Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Yeah.
A few minutes later.
What do you charge for one? Do you have to pull the clutch while I'm doing that?
I'm expensive for one-to-ones. To be fair, if someone asks, I almost feel embarrassed telling the price because I want that much dough for one. And then when you go up to second, so basically like the cup, and then away! What do you reckon?
That's so much fun.
Yeah,
I'm all over the place though.
Yeah, but it's almost harder because we've obviously got a wet day, haven't we? He told me to cut you up, but I don't want to because tomorrow I'm going to be the one that's struggling.
Whoa. Are we going to start doing this every Wednesday?
Do you want to go up and have a go over the jump?
Yeah. We're on a proper motocross track, and I was waiting for the end about 2 minutes ago, and it just keeps going and going. So Tommy, thanks so much for a day at the motocross jumps and stuff. That was my first time I've ever been, and I freaking loved it.
You can tell you come there in the garage then with a big smile on
I've got the bug. I probably will buy one of these at some point.
Yeah.
So tomorrow, mountain biking.
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous about that. I've done 2 days riding motocross, and so I'm actually a bit tired, so I normally wouldn't go mountain biking tomorrow, but we're putting the graft in, and you'll see tomorrow. I'm not very good on a mountain bike. Some people think, you ride motocross, you'll be good, but it's, I don't know, it's a little bit different. Obviously with motocross you've got a bit of throttle to get you out of a situation. When mountain bike you've got to commit, and if you don't commit, that's when you have a crash. I find. So I just I need to do it more basically, and I think I can get okay, but I'm not by any means any good.
So Tommy, before we ride,
Yeah.
we always like to lube our chains.
Yeah, every time.
Every single time. Wow. Right, so now your chain's lubed.
We're off. Off we go.
Now we can do some massive jumps.
Straight in.
Straight
I don't
in.
want to warm up at all.
Nah, straight in.
I'll do a lap of the
Big
pump
heads.
track and then I just want to hit something
Yeah.
big.
Coming in, sunshine.
It's hard when my feet move position on the pedal. That's what gets me.
Well, especially, well, you're riding flats. We're going through Routes manoeuvre.
I wouldn't want the other ones either.
Nah, no chance. Clips are awful.
Fuck.
Go off to the left, you'll be alright.
It now. This is scary. This is what I do. Oh!
You are flying. That's because he's trying to catch up with Josh, that's why.
You're scared. You would have gone to the left.
Yeah.
Carried on.
Josh is setting the speed. Not many routes, is there? It's fucking rocks.
Love that. Love that.
Just rode Routes manoeuvre, following Tommy. I wasn't expecting him to be that quick. But mate, it just shows how freaking gnarly those guys are. And what a genuine bunch of guys as well. Really nice guys. Well funny. And I cannot wait to ride with them again. I'm gonna do some more laps with them. Let's go. That's it. Ah!
Put his back out.
Tommy's just broken his back. Keep it going. Yes, Tommy. So good.
I'm impressed with myself. They're the biggest jumps I've ever done. Good. Really enjoyed that.
So bad. Really cold in Wales, so we're taking full advantage of the heater.
Now it was colder at Edge yesterday on the bike. No.
Yeah, well.
Yeah, they got the I come down and they're fanning about, so I just thought, fuck 'em, I'm getting my sweet and sour chicken, and off we go.
Yeah, just eating your pasta on your own. Yeah. So what motocrossers do is it?
We just it's a what do you call
Selfish
it?
game.
One-man sport, isn't it? It's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
a team sport. You just fucking crack
Yeah,
on.
well, us mountain bikers will stick together.
You
we'll
actually
sit
do.
down.
It is
Yeah,
more of a.
it
You
is.
sit in the van. Up on the way. Yeah, hit that hip. Yeah, done that. And then in motocross, you just you put your helmet. You don't talk to them. Fuck you, mate.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it. Done. Mountain bike. It's more of like you bro down, don't you?
Yeah,
No, I have noticed that. I noticed
Yeah,
that.
we're all
Duffy. Me.
How we are. So I've just been riding with all the motocross boys, and I am insanely impressed by how good they are. Like, insanely impressed. They are rapid, so quick. But as soon as they have someone in front of them, like Josh, our filmer, who's pretty rapid anyway, their motocross instinct kicks in. So they instantly want to catch up. Right, so we're back at the top. I think this is our third uplift now. Tommy's having a whale of a time. We hit A470 and Vicious Valley earlier, and I've never heard him sound so happy before on a bike. So even though I've only known him on a mountain bike for a day.
Yeah, no, this is definitely the most happy I've been on a bike ride with you, isn't it?
I genuinely am impressed though. So yeah, it's
right,
sick.
thank you.
Super.
That was all good.
Yeah. Whoa! Oh, yeah. Oh, you enjoyed yourself, though, Tommy?
Win-win, Coast Pastrana.
Loving it.
I'm not leaving. I am not leaving. Right.
That's how buzzing he is.
Well, you're loving it that much. But we've had a top day, and one of my favourite items is the scrubber glove. Now these are a proper good bit of kit.
They are good, mate.
All jokes aside, no, they're really good. I left one outside, a bit slimy, but I'm probably gonna pocket this set. It's been outside all winter, and then I still wanted to use it, so I just slipped my hand straight in.
Yeah.
Easier to get on with a bit of sliming.
Right, what an absolute belter of a day with Tommy Searle, motocross champion, yeah, whatever. Right, first time I went motocross yesterday and I absolutely loved it, absolutely hooked. Couldn't have had a better coach, to be honest. And we're here today at Bike Park Wales. Had another belter of a time, and watching this guy ride, I am seriously impressed, and I cannot wait to go with this guy again. But I think we're wrapping it up now. So, what did you think about today?
I loved it. Loved yesterday, loved today. I reckon we do it again, won't we?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
See you soon.
Yeah, thanks a lot, man.